Turn that pain into passion and made it happen. Shout out to the ones who doubted me. They keep me laughing. What is good with y'all, bro? It's your boy Nell back with another video. Hey, man, we got a really important video today, y'all. So we're going to talk about the 3 reasons you keep losing, even with a good strategy, guys. So this is a really important video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Join the Discord, link in the description of this video. You know what I'm saying? Tap that link for the Instagram as well. Show some love, y'all. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Hope you guys are, mentally okay. Hope you guys are physically okay. Get in the gym. Do what you gotta do, bro. If you're working a lot, is what it is, bro. Make time for the things you want in life. You feel me? So we're gonna be talking about the 3 reasons you're still losing, even with a good strategy. Reason 1, guys, is pretty freaking simple. You're not walking away. Now, this is something so simple, but it's like I'm noticing as I talk to more traders that a lot of people are just struggling with this. And I don't got ADHD, y'all. I just can't stop moving, bro. I like to move, bro. I enjoy this YouTube stuff. I have fun while I do this. So, like, you know what I'm saying? Hope you guys know I love y'all, man. Seriously. But yeah, bro, you're not walking away, bro. Like, you have to learn how to walk away from your losing trades. And guess what? Even more important, you have to learn how to walk away from your winning trades. See, what keeps on happening is in the losing example, right? You lose a trade. There's only one reason you're not walking away, gang. You trying to make that shit back. That's not it, bro. Like, you got to understand. I always tell people this. Always assume the second trade after your first one was a loss is going to be another loss. Facts, bro. Like, that shit will save you so much time, so much blown accounts, so much blown evals, so much ready to punch your monitor days, bro. Like, seriously, bro. Like, you have to learn how to walk away. And on the contrary, for the winning example, you guys win. You guys are feeling yourself. You're like, market's still going down. You know what? We probably can go down another 2 candles. Guess what happens the moment you enter, gang? Nigga, that shit goes straight back up, bro. Like, this is the real, like, stuff when it comes to trading, bro. Like, this is real examples. I'm speaking from experience. And I know a lot of you guys who are unprofitable, even with a good strategy, you can relate. So you have to learn how to walk away, guys. Number 2 on the list for today is going to be over leveraging. This one also kept me on a hold. It's like a freaking. I don't even know how to describe it, y'all, but it's a mental hold of like you can't get over it, and then you continuously do it so much that you get tired of yourself. You're like, all right, I can't with this shit. Like, you eventually make the same mistake 1,000 times, and on that 1,000th try, you're like, I'm gonna stop doing this because I'm just tired of ending back up on these accounts over and over and over. And that's what happens to me. Well, happened to me with over leveraging. And this is why you can have a good strategy, you can have a backtested strategy, but you can still be struggling. You guys have to understand with your backtested data, with your strategy and how it plays out, maybe it's, a 1-to-1, maybe even a 1-to-2, but you guys are trying to go for 1-to-3s, 1-to-4s. And yeah, maybe you're not going for 1-to-4s off the bat, but it goes back to number 1 with not learning how to walk away. So maybe you have a 1-to-2 and you won, but then you're trying to hop back in for another 1-to-2. Stop it, bro. Stop it. This is going to save you so much time. Stop hopping back in trades. Stop over leveraging. Stop trying to win so much, especially when it comes to these funded accounts. You guys have to understand. Lucid just came out tough, a tough firm, but let's be honest. That 3 days, that 3 day, you know what I'm saying, winning day ish is like really new. Bro, the OGs, bro, like me and other people, bro, 5 winning days, unless you have a daily account or you're going from, on an instant funded account, but no one drops $400 on an instant funded account. So most profitable traders like myself, bro, we were on the 5 days. So that made you disciplined. Like, what's the point of going for a really big over leveraged trade, excuse me, if you still have 4 more winning days, gang? Think about it, bro. Like, what I'm saying right now is common sense. And you guys are probably like, yeah, like, that's facts. Yeah. Yeah. 100. Yeah. But it's like, do it, bro. You know what you got to do already. Like, seriously, you know what you gotta do. You just have to be able to do it. Like, at this point, just fucking click off the video because you know what you gotta do. But seriously, on a real note, you know what you gotta do, bro. This is common sense. These are things that cross your mind. Like, maybe I'm risking too much. Maybe I'm going too far with my take profit. But you have to be willing to act on those truth thoughts. There's always the lies, and then there's those truth thoughts. The lies is I can win that back. The lies is I could go real far with my take profit today, even though I have no context or no conviction or no bias that we will do that. But you're trying to go crazy, you know? So you just have to stop over leveraging, guys. Seriously. And the third reason why you're still losing even with a good strategy is you're not executing the way you back tested. Oh my God, I touched on this in my last video. If you haven't watched it, watch it because these videos are gems. You guys may not realize it now, but once you get into trading, you guys gonna realize that it is 90% mental, bro. Like the 10% is learning the fundamentals. The 10% is learning how to fucking execute, do all this bull crap. But like, bro, the moments that's down, bro, like you can't give anyone a pew pew and they gonna be able to hit the same target at the same distance, right? So a strategy is the same way. Like we all got handed that weapon, but not everyone's gonna be able to execute with that weapon the same way. And this is because of these three reasons. So back to this third reason, you guys are not even executing the way you back tested. Here's what's happening. You back tested one way. You know, trades are going good, trades are going green. Boom, boom, boom. Trade after trade. You done did 30 trades in one session, gang. Tough. Feel me? But what the fuck keeps happening? Well, in the moment, while the motion's going, oh, I could pass this account in 2 trades. Bro, I know how y'all be, bro. Yo, I need 2 more winning days. Oh, that's the worst. Bro, you start doing dumb shit, bro. You're not even trading the way you backtest. You're not even trading with how you're supposed to trade. And this is what happens. So people will say, why do I do so good on paper trading? But then when I get on an account or when I get on the eval, I keep blowing it. It's because you're trading differently. Let me tell you guys, I went on a 20 trade losing streak because of just this reason. Facts. I don't have to lie to y'all for no reason. And I look back at the edge and I just laugh because it's crazy. Bro, I was dead taking 20 to 30 trades in a row. Whole time, like, dang, bro, must just be a rough patch. I must just be following my strategy and we're just in a bad month. No, bro, I remember the day when I had that euphoria. I just looked back at all my trades and I'm like, I was trading slightly differently all of these days, and every single day caused me to lose. This is what's going on with you guys. Now, maybe are you not losing? Are you losing 30 trades? Probably not. But you know, there could be 2 losses out of the week when you could have went 4 for 1 or 3 for 2 that week. You could have get another loss or 2 because you're not executing the correct way. So you can't try to trade with discretion as a beginner. Discretionary trading is simply trading off of your experience rather than off of set rules and a edge. Think about that for a second. If you ever once had a moment where you're like, I'm going to make this trading decision because I feel like it, you're trading off of discretion. And that's not even how you're probably supposed to trade off discretion. Like I said, it's experience. So when I make a decision that's not on my set rules, it's not because I feel like it. It's because I've seen this shit 30,000 times. So I know it's going to happen. Facts. So you can't try to do that. You can't try to have a feeling. You can't try to, oh, I have experience when you don't. And even me, I don't have crazy amount of experience. I'm just, about to brink over 2 years trading, but you feel me? Like I don't have 7, 10 years of experience. So even I wouldn't make as taxing decisions, as risky decisions when it comes to my discretionary decisions. So you guys have to stop trying to feel like you're on top of the world. Just because you won the last 2 trades doesn't mean you're going to win trade number 3. And doesn't mean on trade number 3, oh, because I feel like it, because I won the last 2 trades, we're going to win this one. That's not how it works. Every single day is a different percentage of what you will, execute on that market. A different percentage on how the market will move with price action, how the market will react to your strategy. Remember, we all have different strategies for the most part. Like we have a fundamental basis, a fundamental theory, a fundamental law to this trading shit. Whether it's ICT, whether it's this, that, supply and demand, but support and resistance. But it just comes down to you being able to follow what you have to follow. Because I was just telling my man this, bro. We was on a walk, and I'm like, yo, it's crazy how like there'll be days TJR smacking for like 100K, and that same day I'm losing. But then there's other days where he's losing, or he's like, price action so bad I'm not trading this whole week, and I'm on 4 trades that whole week. You feel me? So that tells you that everyone's strategy is different. Everyone's looking for different things. Everyone's looking for different times. Everyone's on different time frames. A lot of people trade the same, but then if you look at the big picture, we're all trading differently. Maybe I may enter at 9:25. You may not enter till 10:05. That's going to be a big difference in the P&L by the end of the week. So I'll say all that to say, you have to be willing to trade how you execute it, because what happens is you're trying to just change things around based off what you're seeing around you. You're like, okay, Nell just smacked 3 trades in a row. I must be doing something wrong. I'm going to switch this. No, The only reason you won the last three or lost the last three trades, is because it's just a statistical probability. But guess what? You was ready to win the next six. But you're not even surviving in that statistical number game long enough so you don't see it. If you trade differently every single day, y'all, you're not trading with the back-tested version of your strategy, with the back-tested numbers of your strategy. If you have a 70% win rate, guys, out of 10 trades, you have to lose 3. I know it hurts, it sucks. Get fucking used to it. It's part of trading. If no one told you this, let me tell you this, bro. Like, bro, honestly, y'all treat my videos like a big brother, bro. Like, I don't care if you're older than me. I don't care if you're same age. I don't care if you younger than me, bro. But treat it like that because what I'm telling you is so important. And I promise you, when you make the same mistake again, you're gonna think like, damn, fuck. Nell mentioned that. Yes, I did. Because I've been through hell and back for you guys. All this is for you guys. God allowed me to go through all of these mistakes that I'm teaching you guys so that I can teach you guys. You feel what I'm saying? So like you guys have to understand that I'm telling you guys all this out of love and I'm trying to save you guys time. There's nothing more valuable in this life than time. Money comes and goes. The hoes come and go. Your friends come and go. We all got to come and go. But what can you not get back? It is time. It is time. It is time. It is time. No one likes to waste time. And I'm so glad I wasn't one of those people that took 6 years to get profitable. But I did take some time. And I'm trying to save you guys that. Whether, unlike me, taking a year and a half, maybe you get profitable in 7 months. But that's the difference when you think of the whole bigger picture. Bro, once you get this day trading shit down, bro, you got the shit for the rest of your life. This is just like, this end of the video, some motivation for you guys. But you guys need to hear the shit like this. So, yeah, I ain't gonna yap too long. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. But write these things down. Really digest what I'm saying. And hopefully it makes a difference because, once again, trading is 90% psychological, 10% strategy. And this is why you can still be losing with a good strategy. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope I didn't ruin it with the truth, with the bluntness. But that's just me. Nell, nice to meet you. You feel me? And it's for your own good, bro. It's because I love y'all. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I love you guys. Tell someone in your life that you love them. Seriously. Can't get time back. What did we just talk about? You don't know how long your loved one's going to be in your life. So love them, cherish them, and understand you're chasing freedom, not money. Seriously. As I get more money, as I get bigger payouts, I understand I'm chasing freedom. The money is just a feeling that comes and goes. You feel euphoric. Oh, that feels good, but it just goes, guys. If you don't believe me, go find out. And I hope you guys do. I hope you guys hit your first 10K months, first 20, 50K months. I hope all of that. But you guys will see exactly what I mean. And we're chasing freedom. All right? So remember your reason. Remember your why. Don't give up. I believe in you guys. And you guys can do this. It's going to be a hard fucking journey, bro. But it's going to be so worth it at the end of the tunnel. All right, y'all. Probably drop a trading from scratch video tomorrow. Make sure, if this is your first video, see me, guys. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, all that. You feel me? Description, check it, bro. We got the Discord. It's a bunch of traders just talking, y'all. Like, fuck, bro. Like, why wouldn't you, gang? Like, bro, when I learned trading, I was all alone. I would love to have a community like that. And that is why I made that for you guys. It's all for you guys. I'm not trying to sell you guys a course. People came to me, yo, I can help you sell a course. I'm like, no, fuck you, bro. I'm trying to build a fucking, yo, come on, bro. Empire, gang, a community of traders loving one another, growing with one another. So check that description, bro. All right. Have a blessed day, y'all.